Vice Admiral Beneath McCarthy takes over as 20th Commander-in-Chief of Andaman and Nicobar Command. Vice Admiral Beneath McCarthy assumed charge as the 20th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command ANC at Sri Vijayapuram on 1 June 2026. About Vice Admiral Beneath McCarthy, he was commissioned into the Indian Navy on the 1 July 1989 and is a specialist in gunnery and missiles. Vice Admiral McCarthy is an alumnus of Defence Services Staff College Wellington and the National Defence College New Delhi. He brings about 36 years of distinguished naval services across operational staff training and tri-service domains. His tenures include serving as a member of the commissioning crew of INS Delhi and completing all specialist appointments on board the frontline destroyer. He has commanded the three major Indian naval warships, INS Ajay, INS Khanjar and INS Shivalik. His important training and staff appointments include training commander at the Indian Naval Academy, command plans officer at the headquarters Eastern Naval Command and Commodore Naval Plans at Naval Headquarters. After promotion to flag rank in 2020, he served as Assistant Chief of the Naval Staff, Staff Requirements and Controller of Personnel Services. In 2023, he commanded the Western Fleet as Flag Officer commanding Western Fleet FOCWF, one of the most important operational fleet commands of the Indian Navy. He became the 10th Commandant of the Indian Naval Academy in 2024. During 2025-26, he held consecutive appointments at Headquarters Integrated Defence Staff HQ IDS as Deputy Chief of Integrated Defence Staff Policy Plans and Force Development and Deputy Chief of the Integrated Defence Staff Doctrine, Organization and Training. His overseas assignments include serving as Directing Staff at the Naval and Maritime Academy, Sri Lanka. He also served as Defence Advisor to Singapore and the Philippines concurrently from 2011 to 2015.